December 2nd, 2024, Central Java, Indonesia. Due to heavy rains recorded in this Central Java area, that's why these flash floods are happened in main roads. Most affected area Wonosobo, Central Java in Indonesia. Due to heavy rains on 2nd December 2024, these severe floods hits so many vehicles and so many vehicles are swept away in these flash floods. Continuously 3 to 4 hours rainfall is created these type of flash floods in Central Java in Indonesia.
Di samping terjadi dampak di jalan raya yang menyebabkan
flash floods hits West Java in Indonesia. The flash floods is currently affecting this area. This can be happened Luhanga district, Perunggu village in Indonesia.